Hello, Dad.
Hello, my darling. How are you? Are you ready to take your lunch?
No, Mom.
Nifemi, what is wrong with you?
I want to have my own robotic kit. All my friends in my class, they have theirs. I can build robots, and I can build smart house, and I can build a traffic light.
Okay, do you want to tell your dad?
Yes, Mommy.
Don't worry, I'm going to tell your dad. This is all about money. She likes some money. Babe! Babe, I've been calling you since. You're still on this.
Yes, I've been on. It's been a long day, so tedious and
Sorry
all.
about it.
Thank you.
Did you notice anything about your child, Nifemi?
Nifemi,
Yes.
what happened to her? What's wrong?
She's not happy.
Why?
She said our robotic class, they need some kits.
Kids. As in, kids for what?
Oh, robotic class.
As in, what is it used for? What can they do with
use
it?
it for drone.
You mean they can use it to like create a drone?
Of course, yes.
What else?
Even traffic lights,
Wow.
line follower. They really need the kits.
Wow. So how can we get a kit for her?
We can get it in the school.
Then we can get it tomorrow.
Really?
Yes, we can.
Oh, thank you. Udobu.
Thank you, Dad. I got my own kit, and I can build a robot, and I will compete in the ITGEN challenge.
Nice, that's
Thank
nice.
you, Dad.
You're welcome, baby.
This kit is packed and loaded. You know about our competition coming in. Why would you get this if you want to win your competition? Because with this, obviously, it's a breeze. We have different tools here, like your Arduino Uno, like your Sabo Moto, and like I used to tell my students, your jumper wire. Very, very important because you might be very creative, and if your jumper wires are not good, you've lost it already. So with this, you're definitely going to win. Sure of that. But if you don't have it, go on learn.
This is mine. We have yours. Thank you.
ITGEN Solutions. Inspire, learn, evolve.